What's up, YouTube? We up 34,000. We at 34,000. We started off for $350 in this account. We've been buying shares and we've been trading. I just got into day trading and I really feel like I got my edge now, y'all. So I took 6 months away from day trading and I've been perfecting my skill and we've been killing it, right? We at 34,000 now. My goal is to get this to 100. But the next stop is we're gonna get to that 40,000, we get to that 50,000 mark, and then we'll be halfway there. But anyway, let me run y'all through these plays and I'm gonna get into how I run my Discord chat. So let's check the game section out, y'all. We up 34,000. I got this account to 34,000, man. Still can't believe it. But the job still ain't finished. Goal of 100. All right, so this is my play. What I did today, I caught out NVIDIA at 16%. Bought 15 contracts, $142. Then I had 3 runners left, 20%, $34. They were still running. My boy Clark just got back in today, $142, 10%. Started the top test combine today, 2.9K in a day. So yeah, I've been showing people the accounts with this pre-market. This platform right here is Thinkorswim. I'm on this with SPY. It's a 12%, $111 Friday. So yeah, my boy Shade, 70,000, 42,000. I got QCOM. So I call all these plays out here in the day trade. So I day trade, I swing trade, as you can see, and I do leap options. So, and I buy shares. So I do all tricks of the trade. I buy shares, long term, I do swing trading, and I do leap options. So whatever fits your favor, I think everybody should master all of them because I feel like they all are important. Because there's gonna be times you can't day trade, you can only swing trade. There's gonna be times you can only swing trade, you can't day trade. And of course, there's times where you should be buying the dip and stuff like that. So I think it's good to know every option how to do, whether you're buying shares long term, whatever like that. So also, if you look right here, stock chat room, this is where you can ask questions and stuff at. Yeah. So let me show y'all what we got in today. We got in the video. So you can see what time I caught it in. I'm gonna walk y'all through the trade that I did. So I got in the NVIDIA 172.5 put. So basically what I did was I traded NVIDIA sticker symbol. I got in a 172.5 put. So the 172 is the contract I bought. That's not how much I paid for. A lot of people think that, but that's the contract I bought. And the put option is I'm saying the stock market will go down. So with the stock market going down, you can make money. And you can make money, stock market goes up, which is a call. So I tried it out and I said, hey, this stock looks like it's gonna go down. So I put a contract in for put. As you can see right here, when I say 10%, 15%, that represents these numbers right here. That's 20% right there, $166. And then you will see right here, 16%, $142. So that's what that's saying with the percentages, right? So I got in around 940, I believe. Let's check. We can double check that too. Right, about 940, right? So I got in this candle right here. So we got in. It opened up at 181. Went as high as 182. Went down to 180. Let me see right there. Went down to 181.01. We made 20%. We got out. So right here, y'all see where I say trimming, holding runners. So if you can see right here how I have 15 contracts at 16%, and then I said trimming, and then as you can see now I have 3. So I trimmed 12, kept 3, and those will be called the runners. The runners will be this right here. So right, I bought 15 contracts, I sold 12, so 15 minus 12 is 3. Those 3 are my runners, and you always want to keep runners for if the stock goes in your favor. You can see here, I got in, boom, boom, 15, 20% trim. Now I got 3 left. If the stock would have kept coming my way on the downside, I would have got paid, but as you can see, it went up. So I sold. The new setup, I like this setup too. I got, I don't know, I'm just sitting there just thinking though, like every candle is red when it's down and every candle was green when it go up. And I was like, why not choose my favorite color? So my setup behind this is like when you're digging for gold, like ain't nothing wrong with digging for gold. Like we'd be like, oh, it's red, it's negative. Like I feel like my brain, I wanted to think like that. I wanted to be like, it's time to get money, be digging for gold. So I got to go from the downside, and then blue is my favorite color. So I really like blue, so when I see blue, I get happy. So I know that's money. So anyway, we got in this candle right here. You can see it went down. It ended up going back up, but then ended up retracing back down. So if you wanted to hold runners that hold over the 200 moving average, you could have did that, and you would have got, it went down a whole nother $4 if you wanted to hold your runners. But I don't hold my runners that long. Look at the fear and greed index for the day. We still fearful, okay? Still fearful. We're gonna look at SPY on the daily. Right now, SPY. It gotta pass this 673. If it go past 673, past 674, we could be back in the bull market. I mean, we still in the bull market technically because we haven't dropped 20%. But it needs to pass 674 for it to go higher. My fault. For us to continue this bull run, which we still in, technically we're not in the bear market yet, but 674 is the key level right there. And then down to, we're gonna see if it lose six. They have to lose 649 in order for it to lose 642. But right now we're still in the bull market. I ain't gonna lie, these colors I got is hard with the red outline. That's hard. Damn. That's hard. QQQ, same thing. Look like we in this chop zone. What's this level right here? 613. Look like it's a key level all the way down to 583. Chop zone. Does it look like a chop zone? Yeah, they both in the chop zone. So yeah, MACD RSI. So yeah, with Trump with these tweets, you really can't even read this right now. Right now, look, he's in the chop zone. Yeah, but yeah, this is Discord, and if you want to join, we have a beginner's training course as well. So make sure you read first section. It's the stocks. If you want to join, it's the stock chat room. I tell you what stocks to buy. So I tell you what stocks to buy for long term. I tell you, this is the gang section. When you want to join, you want to post your results. This is the gang section. This is where everybody posts their gains and their results at. Right here in this section right here. So you can see we always gonna post CrowdStrike 24%, $625. QCon 27%, $345. XPX 42,170%. Like this is where you post all our results at right here, right? And then if you go down, tell you what cryptos to buy. And then I got beginner's training, educational. I have videos. I have candles. I got the terminology. I got the stock platform to use. The one I use is Thinkorswim. The other one you see on here will be Robinhood. I have day trades. So just today I day trade in the video, which I showed y'all today. I do swing trades. Right now I'm staying away from them because Trump in office with these tweets right now. The market's going up and down. You don't know which way it's going to go. So I'm just staying away from it. Then I also do leap options with this long expiration calls for like a year and a half to 2 years out. And look, I chart the stocks out for you. I tell you why I'm getting in. And yeah. So even I can show y'all right now. I'm going to go over something. I'm going to go y'all basically how my Discord is running. So today, right, I go on the voice and I signal out to my chat. So this is why my chat right here is about to be a little bit more elite because I'm going to actually be talking now. So the days, and I will give you a heads up too. I tell people the day before, like, hey, tomorrow I'll be on voice. Right? And as I'm saying what play I'm about to get in, I also type it out. So that way you know you can't miss it, right? So I told people on voice, hey, I'm in the video, or I'm about to get in the video 172.5 put, right? And I'll have it pre-typed out in the Discord for you as well. And then I'll get in. And then as I get in, I'm telling you 10% here, 15% trimming, 20%. And as you can see right here in the Discord, this is proof right here. I just showed you. Right here, 16%. You see I bought 15. These are the contracts I called out. That's what I got in. I got in 15 contracts, 16%. I was up $142. Then you can see I trimmed, right? I have 3 left now. I'm up 20%. These runners are up $34. Total, $166, right? So that's when I tell you right here. So think of trimming like a haircut, right? You ever go to the barbershop, you say, hey, I want to trim on the sides. You tell them to cut your hair, but not all your hair. So think of trimming like that. Trimming is basically like I bought 15 contracts. I sold 12 of them. The last 3 are called runners because if the stock keep going my way, I can keep trimming those runners down to 1. Or if it doesn't go my way, or if it doesn't go the way I wanted to go, right? Still, as well, I can just sell those contracts for break even, or when I see them losing value. So that's why it's always good to have a percentage, take that percentage, leave runners to keep running in your favor. That way you're not always in a full position all the time, if that makes sense. And then I'll tell you also, I'm all out. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the description below. Like, share, subscribe to this video, send it to somebody if they want to learn. And I hope I'll see you in the chat one day.